CenterPoint Energy, whose history spans 150 years, serves residential, commercial, and industrial customers with electricity delivery in Greater Houston, natural gas sales and delivery from the Gulf Coast to the Great Lakes, and competitive natural gas supply and services across the nation. Our Home Service Plus is Minnesota's largest provider of major appliance maintenance and repair services, as well as replacement heating and cooling equipment. We are committed to our core values of safety, integrity, accountability, initiative, and respect for customers, investors, employees, and communities. Our brand promise is to be always there for our stakeholders. To best operate our business and serve our customers, we follow and even help set trends in the gas and electric industries, such as in safety and operational innovations, cybersecurity, and emerging energy and transportation technology. We are investing more than $1 billion per year in our gas and electric utilities to address ongoing growth, maintenance, reliability, safety, and customer service. We have implemented exciting new technology, such as our smart grid, which has improved power reliability by more than 20%, automated electric and gas meter reading, and a mobile gas leak detection system. Our innovative customer service platform delivers enhanced customer satisfaction through capabilities such as proactive outage communication and a natural language phone system with intelligence driven by our predictive analytics engine. We partner with customers, trade allies, and communities to deliver award-winning conservation programs, such as our Conservation Improvement Program, which saves residential, small business, and industrial customers in Arkansas, Minnesota, Mississippi, and Oklahoma millions of dollars per year, and the EPA's Energy Star program to promote energy-efficient homes in Texas. Our commercial and industrial electric efficiency programs offer millions of dollars of incentives for energy efficiency projects, which save over 100,000 megawatt hours per year. Indeed, we have been recognized as a leader in energy conservation, technology innovation, and customer service with a growing list of national and international awards. Such recognition demonstrates our experience and expertise, as well as our ongoing commitment to providing exceptional service to our customers and communities, for whom we remain always there.